Mastering English phrases. Understanding, run low. Hello, dear viewers. Welcome back to our English learning channel. Today, we've got an exciting topic to delve into. The phrase, run low. This is a common expression used in everyday English, and it's very useful to know. So, let's jump right in and unravel its meaning and usage together. Run low is a phrasal verb that describes a situation where the quantity or supply of something is decreasing and becoming insufficient. It implies that there is still some amount left, but it is nearing the end or is not as abundant as before. For example, the car is running low on fuel. We need to find a gas station soon. My phone is running low on battery. I should charge it. 2.1 Everyday life. In everyday life, run low can be used to talk about various things like groceries, toiletries, or any other household items. Examples: we are running low on milk. Can you pick some up on your way home? I noticed we are running low on toilet paper. We should buy more. 2.2 Professional and work environments. In a work environment, run low can be applied to resources, supplies, or even time. Examples: the office is running low on printer paper. We need to order more. As the deadline approaches, we are running low on time. We need to speed up our work. When learning English, it's important to be aware of common mistakes to avoid sounding unnatural. For run low, one common mistake is misplacing the preposition or using the wrong one. Correct: we are running low on milk. Incorrect: we are running low of milk. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, run low. We hope this video has illuminated its meaning, contexts, and correct usage for you. Remember, practicing these phrases in your daily conversations will help solidify your understanding and make your English sound more natural. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Happy learning!